Welcome to the course summary of Introduction to YouTube, History, Impact and Opportunities. This course is a fascinating journey, a deep dive into the world of YouTube, a platform that has revolutionized not only the internet, but also how we perceive and consume content. In this course summary, we'll explore the labyrinth of YouTube, unearthing its history, understanding its impact, and discovering the plethora of opportunities it presents. This is not just a course, it's a voyage into an ecosystem that has transformed our society in ways we could not have imagined 2 decades ago. The course is divided into 5 enriching modules, each offering a unique perspective on YouTube's journey and its influence. The first module, The Birth of YouTube, takes us back to the origins of this platform, exploring the fascinating story of how YouTube revolutionized online video sharing. As we move forward, we delve into the second module, YouTube's impact on society. Here, we unravel YouTube's profound impact on our culture, shaping entertainment, education, and communication. The third module, Opportunities on YouTube, uncovers the vast possibilities available on the platform. It's a treasure trove of insights for anyone looking to leverage YouTube for success, be it individuals or businesses. The fourth module, YouTube Success Stories, is an inspiring exploration of YouTubers who made it big. It showcases how dedication, creativity, and a bit of luck can lead to YouTube stardom. And finally, in the fifth module, YouTube's future, we gaze into the crystal ball, discussing the future of YouTube, emerging trends, and the ever-evolving landscape of online video. Each module is a standalone journey, but together they weave a comprehensive narrative about YouTube, its past, its present, and its potential future. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a business owner, a student, or just simply curious, this course offers valuable insights for everyone. So without further ado, let's get started. Embark on this exciting journey through YouTube's fascinating world with us. The first module takes us back in time to the birth of YouTube. Picture the internet landscape in the early 2000s. It was a time when online spaces were fragmented and sharing videos was a cumbersome task. Then, in February of 2005, a revolution was born, and its name was YouTube. 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and George Karim, sparked this revolution. Frustrated by the difficulty of sharing videos online, they decided to create a platform that would make it easy for anyone to upload and share videos. They imagined a space where people could freely express themselves, tell their stories, and connect with others around the world, all through the power of video. And thus, YouTube was born. The site was officially launched in November of 2005. The first video ever uploaded, titled Me at the Zoo, was a mere 19-second clip of co-founder George Karim talking about elephants. This humble beginning belies the monumental impact YouTube would have on the world of online content sharing. YouTube quickly gained popularity as people began to realize the potential of this platform. It empowered individuals to become broadcasters, democratizing the production and distribution of video content. No longer did one need a high-budget production team or a primetime television slot to reach millions. All you needed was a camera, an idea, and an internet connection. The revolution didn't stop there. In November of 2006, just a year after its official launch, YouTube was acquired by Google for a staggering sum of $1.65 billion. This acquisition was a testament to the platform's potential and the belief that YouTube was set to redefine the way we consume media. Under Google's stewardship, YouTube continued to grow, introducing features that would further enhance the platform's usability and reach. In 2007, YouTube launched its partner program, allowing creators to monetize their content. This was a game changer. It transformed YouTube from a platform for video sharing into a platform for video creation, nurturing a new generation of content creators and influencers. The growth of YouTube has been exponential. Today, it is the second most visited website worldwide, with over 2 billion logged-in users per month. Every day, people watch over 1 billion hours of video, making YouTube a powerhouse of global entertainment. But YouTube is more than just a platform for entertainment. It is a platform for learning, for activism, for connection. It has given us a window into the lives of people around the world, breaking down barriers and fostering global understanding. From viral dance challenges to important political speeches, from how-to videos to deeply personal vlogs, YouTube hosts a vast array of content that caters to diverse interests and needs. From a simple idea to a groundbreaking platform, YouTube's birth truly changed the internet. And as we'll see in the next module, its impact on society has been just as profound. So stay tuned as we continue this fascinating journey through the world of YouTube. In the second module, we delve into YouTube's profound impact on society. As we navigate through the digital age, it's clear that YouTube has become a significant cornerstone of our global culture. Let's start with entertainment. YouTube revolutionized the way we consume media and entertainment. It's not just about watching videos anymore. It's about the connection, the community, the shared experiences. Traditional TV shows and movies were once the primary source of entertainment, but now the world is at our fingertips. YouTube has given rise to a new breed of celebrities, the YouTubers, who entertain millions with their unique content, from comedy skits to music covers, from gaming streams to DIY tutorials. But it's not all fun and games. YouTube has also become a crucial educational tool. The platform hosts a plethora of educational channels that cover a vast array of subjects. Whether you want to learn quantum physics, master a new language, or even whip up a gourmet meal, YouTube has it covered. An estimated 1 billion hours of YouTube videos are watched every day, and a significant portion of that is dedicated to learning and education. Now let's talk about communication. YouTube has transformed the way we communicate and share information. It's a platform where anyone, regardless of their location or background, can share their story, their viewpoint, their talent. It's a global stage that transcends borders and breaks down barriers. It's a place where voices can be heard, where movements can start, where change can happen. To put it in perspective, let's throw in some key statistics. Over 2 billion users log into YouTube each month. That's almost 1/3 of the internet. Every minute, over 500 hours of video are uploaded, and every day, people watch over 1 billion hours of video. These numbers are a testament to YouTube's colossal impact on our society. But YouTube's influence extends beyond the individual level. It's become a powerful tool for businesses and organizations as well. Companies use YouTube to build their brand, promote their products, and connect with their customers. Nonprofits use it to raise awareness and drive social change. Governments use it to communicate with their citizens. From its humble beginnings as a video sharing platform, YouTube has grown into a global phenomenon that shapes the way we live, learn, and connect. It's changed the face of entertainment, revolutionized education, and redefined communication. From viral videos to educational content, YouTube's impact on society is undeniable. As we move forward, one thing is for sure. YouTube will continue to be a driving force in our digital society, shaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The third module uncovers the vast opportunities YouTube offers. Think about it. YouTube is a platform with over 2 billion logged-in users each month. That's almost 1/3 of the internet. Such an extensive reach can open doors to unparalleled opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. For individuals, YouTube can be a platform for self-expression, creativity, and even financial success. You can share your passions, your thoughts, your talents with the world, and with a bit of luck and a lot of hard work, you could build a successful career as a content creator. There are countless examples of individuals who started with a simple idea and a camera and have gone on to become household names. Consider the likes of PewDiePie, who started with video game commentary, or Lily Singh, who got her start with comedic skits. Their unique content resonated with millions, and they have built successful careers on YouTube. For businesses, YouTube provides a powerful tool for marketing and customer engagement. It allows companies to showcase their products and services, share their brand story, and connect with their audience in a more personal and engaging manner. Tutorials, product reviews, behind-the-scenes videos. These are all ways businesses can leverage YouTube to increase their visibility and customer engagement. A well-executed YouTube strategy can significantly boost a brand's visibility and credibility. Moreover, YouTube isn't just about entertainment. It's also a powerful education platform, with countless channels dedicated to teaching everything from mathematics to makeup. Khan Academy, for example, has revolutionized education by offering free, world-class education to anyone, anywhere, all through YouTube videos. The beauty of YouTube is that it's a democratic platform. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is, or how much money you have. If you have an idea and the determination to see it through, YouTube can be the launchpad for your success. But it's not just about the potential for fame or financial success. YouTube offers an opportunity for connection. In a world that often feels divided and disconnected, YouTube brings people together. It allows us to share in each other's experiences, learn from each other, and feel a little less alone. That in itself is a powerful opportunity. Finally, it's important to remember that success on YouTube doesn't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with determination, creativity, and a willingness to learn, anyone can make the most of the opportunities that YouTube offers. So whether you're an aspiring YouTuber with a passion to share, a business owner looking to expand your reach, or an educator wanting to make a difference, YouTube holds a world of opportunities. The platform is vast, the potential is immense, and the opportunities are endless. It's up to you to seize them. As we wrap up this course summary, let's take a moment to reflect on the enlightening journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the birth of YouTube, a platform that revolutionized the way we share and consume content. We've explored how YouTube has left an indelible mark on our society, shaping entertainment, education, and communication in ways we could have never imagined. We've also uncovered the vast array of opportunities that YouTube presents. Whether you're an individual hoping to share your passion with the world or a business aiming to reach a global audience, YouTube offers endless possibilities for success. And who could forget the inspiring tales of YouTube stardom? These success stories are testaments to the power of dedication, creativity, and the unique platform that YouTube provides. But our journey doesn't have to end here. This summary only scratches the surface of what our course, Introduction to YouTube, History, Impact, and Opportunities, has to offer. By enrolling in the full course, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of each module, offering deeper insights and further exploration into the intriguing world of YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? The secrets of YouTube are just a click away. Join us in the full course for a deep dive into each module and unlock the secrets of YouTube.